'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the shop, not a lathe was silent. Each turn, a soft pop. The shavings flew round, the blanks spun with care, creating a pen filled with holiday flair. Looking for the perfect gift for the wood turner, pen enthusiast, or holiday lover in your life? This is it.
Ho, ho, ho!
Not all Christmas magic comes from the North Pole. Some of it comes from your own workshop. Introducing our Christmas pen kit. We have 5 different finishes to choose from: antique brass, antique pewter, gold, gunmetal, or chrome. With Santa and his sleigh soaring across the nib, a holly-trimmed end cap, and a candy cane clip, this pen brings the magic of the season right to your fingertips. Each kit has all the components you need to create your own Christmas pen. You only need to select a pen blank to turn on your lathe, or use a ready-made colored fiber blank. Our easy-to-follow instructions will guide you to create your one-of-a-kind pen. Whether you love turning your own masterpiece or prefer the sleek look of our colored fiber blanks, this kit is made for makers of all levels. For 23 years, WoodTurningz has served the turning community by creating inspiring pen kits and providing the reliable tools and diverse selection of pen blanks to fuel your turning creativity. Whether you're writing to Santa or making your holiday to-do list, this pen brings the spirit of the season right to your fingertips. We need your pledge to unwrap the magic of this WoodTurningz exclusive Christmas pen kit. Don't wait. Santa's sleigh doesn't stick around for long. Back this project now and bring home the Christmas magic before it flies away.